All right, what's up, YouTube? I'm back on YouTube. I'm gonna start making videos again. I'm going to start with basically like a room slash shop slash craft room tour today. And as the year goes by, I'm gonna start doing more tutorials and how to sell shirts, how I run my Instagrams, how basically how to better your business. So stay tuned. View from when you first walk in. I got this little whiteboard right here. And to your right, I have this yarn art. You can see a video on it on my channel. I have two heat presses. This one is out of order. This is my main heat press right now. This is a simple heat press I got from Amazon. This is a $600 heat press that broke that I got from some company. These are just some orders that I have. Some regular FAMU stuff. It's a whole bunch of FAMU stuff. I didn't even take the backing off of that. That's crazy. Here's some vinyl. I got these vinyl holders from IKEA. They're not vinyl holders, but yeah, these are from IKEA. I'm not sure the exact name of it, but I actually spray painted these black. This is a stove. Supreme fire hydrant. This is worth a lot of money, but I made it myself, so don't tell nobody. It is fake. Hype beast stuff, you know. This is actually a stove I recently made. All heat transferred on. If you want to see a tutorial on how I made this, just leave a comment below. Some paintings. These are some stuff I did. Random vinyl rolls. This is not me. Did not make this either. Here's my desk setup. Well, since we have a box here, this is some vinyl. I would do an unboxing, but nah, not today. So this is my setup. I have two lights. So when I'm weeding, I can actually see. This is where I take my orders. Silhouette Cameo. MacBook Pro, the only way to go. It's all my stuff I need. Scissors, weeders, you know, everything you might need. This is all my scrap vinyl. I don't know what to do with all of this stuff. I try to use them, but it just keeps filling up. I just try to use them all, but sometimes you can't use them. These are all the shirts I have in stock: extra large, large, medium, and small. These are some pending orders I have to make. So these are some bodysuits I have to make. This is another order, just 2 shirts, and another order for just 2 shirts. So this is the room, my little hat collection right here going on. Random cowboy hat that's been here forever. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. This is just some prep work. When I set up my table, like on campus. This is just some prep work. All right, so since we're here, I'm gonna do like a simple unboxing video of my vinyl. So I get all my vinyl from Heat Transfer Warehouse. They're really good. They ship really fast. A little trick. So they're gonna have like multiple options for delivery. They're gonna be like 1 to 2 day, 3 to 5 day, next day, which is like $45, which is ridiculous. I always click the 3 to 5 days, the cheapest, and it comes the next day. I don't know why, but it just comes the next day. I ordered this last night. Well, yesterday afternoon. So, and it got here this morning. well, less than 24 hours. So just always click the cheapest delivery option. I think I opened it upside down. So, being that I do go to FAMU and FAMU colors are orange and green, I don't go to FAMU anymore, I graduated, so yeah. So, orange and green I always have to have on deck all the time. This is Sizer Easy Week. This is the only vinyl that I use. The only vinyl. And I got some glitter gold. Open these up. The glitter is pretty good too. So I can see that. So this is just a simple unboxing. Heat Transfer Warehouse. They are not sponsoring this. I just love their company and how fast they ship.